Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Wolf from The Bad Guys. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the left eye. Draw a circle at the top of the page here. And now inside the eye, draw a smaller circle here. Next, to the right of the eye, let's draw a diagonal down to the right. Now above this line, let's draw a circular curve for the other eye. And then draw a small circle inside. Next, from the end of the diagonal line, let's curve it down and over to the left. Let's draw the nose inside now. Draw a curve over, and then another curve underneath like this. And now color the nose in black. Next, let's draw the mouth. Underneath, draw a large curve. And then inside, let's draw a zigzag line for the teeth. Let's draw the ears next. Above the right eye, draw a large curve up. And then a few more underneath, getting smaller as you go down. Now let's do the same thing above the left eye. Next, let's draw the shape of the head by adding curved lines for the fur all the way around, like this. Let's start at the top and draw some curves up. And then a few more above the nose here. Now let's hop to the left side and draw a few going out to the left. And then keep going under the face. And then up on the right. Let's draw the tie next. Start with the curve underneath the center of the head. And then 2 angles down. And then a line across the bottom. Next, let's draw 2 longer angled lines down. And then a V shape at the bottom. Next, let's move back to the top and draw V shapes on either side of the top of the tie. And now from the bottom, draw a line down, slightly longer than the tie. And then the same thing on the right. And now let's draw a parallel line on the outside of each of these. And connect them at the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's move back to the top and draw the shoulders with the curve outwards. Let's draw the arms next. From the shoulders, let's angle it down and out. And then back in on both sides. And now at the ends, let's curve it back up Next, let's draw the inside of the arms with another bent line. Lastly, let's add the jacket collar. Under the shoulder, draw a V shape down. And then one more down and back in. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Next, let's add the hands on either side by adding a curve shape at the bottom of the sleeves. Let's draw the belt next. Underneath the tie, draw 2 curves across between the jacket. And now inside, draw 2 lines. Let's draw the legs next. Underneath the left side of the jacket, draw a long angled line down like this. And now do the same thing on the right. Now at the top in between these lines, draw a small curve. And now angled lines down for the inside of the legs. Now close off the pants at the bottom with curves. Lastly, let's draw the feet. With a bunch of curved lines like this. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's draw the tail on the bottom left. On the left, underneath this jacket, draw a curved line out to the left like this. And now underneath, draw curved lines over to the left and angling it back up like this. And lastly, I forgot to draw the eyebrows earlier, so let's draw 2 curves above the head. And that's it for Mr. Wolf. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.